Hi, I'm attorney Jonathan Paul, and I help clients every single day here in Michigan who are charged with drunk driving offenses. If you or someone in your life has been charged with a serious but manageable offense, I encourage you to visit my website, DUIPlaybook.com. My website is an educational resource for you as the consumer to better understand your case, to better understand different defenses, techniques, and strategies that you may be able to employ inside the courtroom. You'll also learn about what you can do outside of the courtroom to put yourself in the best position to work with the prosecutor, the judge, and the police department on a result that is satisfactory to you. All the clients have different goals when they come to a drunk driving case, and we'll discuss those goals and different paths to get to those goals. I've recently written the Michigan DUI Playbook. It's available on Amazon.com. There's information on my website. It's a comprehensive guide that kind of puts everything together on how I help clients with their cases. On my website, I encourage you to click on the 5-star defense. It's a 10-step program that allows you to better understand how I help clients every single day with the same type of case that you're charged with. I then want you to click over to the client application where you'll provide information about your case and about your background. You'll see that I take on about 100 DUI cases every single year. I am very selective in the clients that I take on because my resources are limited and I need to focus on every single case that I take on at the maximum level. On this page, there's a video to click on. We'll walk through the process together. You'll send me the information that I need, and then I will call you or email you back with what I think about your case. From there, if we're a good fit, we'll have the opportunity to meet and discuss working together. So if you're charged with the DUI defense in Michigan, I encourage you to contact me, and I look forward to helping you.
The 44th District Court is located in Oakland County, and covers all cases in the cities of Royal Oak and Berkley, Michigan. The judges at the 44th District Court are the Honorable Derek Meinecke and Judge Wittenberg. The most common prosecutors at the 44th District Court are the Oakland County Prosecutor's Office, the City of Berkley, and the City of Royal Oak. The majority of the arrests at the 44th District Court are made by the cities of Royal Oak and Berkley, along with the Michigan State Police and the Oakland County Sheriff's Department. For this court, some cases will begin with an active warrant for the arrest of the defendant, while other cases will have an arraignment date for the defendant to appear before the court for bond to be set, and the case to begin. With an attorney on your case, it's very likely that this court would allow the arraignment to be waived, and a pre-trial to be set in the future. If the court insists on an active warrant, you would simply arrange to go with your attorney. With the arraignment, and/or the warrant now in the past, it's time to gather every piece of information about your case. This is done with the discovery process, and your attorney works with the prosecutor and police to obtain all evidence. Now that we better understand the strengths and weaknesses of the case, it's time to create leverage, using our out-of-court proactive approach, along with the contents of the case itself. In order to obtain the best result in your case, a decision must be made between resolution with the prosecution, and a strong focus on obtaining the best sentence from the court, or setting the matter for a pre-trial motion, or trial. As a former Oakland County prosecutor, I've been on both sides of every single type of case and every one of the district courts. I worked with the same judges and police department both as a prosecutor, and now as a criminal defense lawyer. In Oakland County, it makes a big difference whether you are charged locally by the city or township, or by the Oakland County Prosecutor's Office. For certain cases and courts, our approach may vary based upon who the prosecutor is on your case. If you or someone in your life is charged with a crime at this court, send me an email, or give me a call. I've written numerous books, and I've been on both sides of the type of case you're charged with, both as a prosecutor and defense lawyer. I spent years as a prosecutor, and I switched to the defense side, because I saw too many good, hard-working folks who are not criminals, but rather good-hearted and responsible people, but in the moment end up on the wrong side of the law. I worked with thousands of defense lawyers that were not humanizing their clients, or giving them an opportunity to change the perception of who they are. Someone charged with a crime should not solely be judged on that one moment in time. I really enjoy helping people turn a negative experience into a moment of growth and opportunity. We cannot change the past, but we do control the present and the future. If you're open to hard work and a second chance, I look forward to helping.
In Michigan, a second offense drunk driving is punishable by 365 days, with a minimum of 5 days jail. If charged and convicted of a second offense in Michigan, you will go to jail unless you are able to work out a jail alternative.
In Michigan, if convicted of 2 DUIs within 7 years, Your driver's license will be suspended for 1 full calendar year. 365 days without the ability to drive, unless your attorney is able to navigate the license sanctions.